It is the last day, so later we go to the airport back to Germany. So yeah, it's the last day today. Finish and then see you Germany. Yeah, here is always warm. Yeah, now we use already jacket because we will be totally cold in the country where we going now. So yeah, we enjoy our holiday here in Spain. Then I can recommend you, Spain is a very different nature, you know. Beautiful beach, especially we was in the Copete Long Beach. It's a very beautiful view from there.